Hey guys, it's DC Hex here. Today I'll be doing a 1 or 2 mil pack opening. I can't remember, but I have 20 packs, and today I pulled a 90 overall. Got Team of the Week packs, All Pro packs, and a League vs. League pack. So I guess let's start out with the League vs. League pack. And if you guys want a bunch of coins, please go to on Instagram, go to DT Hacks. He gives 1 mil for $3, and we'll follow him. You can play or can do PayPal, Google Play, iTunes, and credit card. So let's get into this. Alright. Oh, darn. Alright, let's see. Go back. I've had some good, see? There we go. Let's go, guys. I've had some good Pro Pack luck lately. Darn. And then, so, let's get into this. Darn. Pulled a 90 overall Team of the Week pack. So, yeah. Let's see if I can get anything. It's open all purple. They haven't been coming out with a lot of packs lately. Okay, I got a punter. That's okay. Go back to the Pro packs. Yeah. Surprised I haven't got only 1 lead out of this. Usually get a bunch of leaks out of Pro packs. Alright. So, let's open 1 Team of the Week pack. These take a long time to open. There's a lot of cards in them. Alright. Surprised I didn't get a lead out of that. I got a 90 TJ Lang Team or Football Outsiders earlier. So we're getting down to our last 7 packs, I think. Sit. Reveal all. No, darn. Let's see here. Let's do a tactic on this next one. Let's see here. Darn it. Let's do a nose pack. Alright. This is gonna take a long time to open. Darn it. Wonder why. I'm surprised I didn't get a bunch of elites out of these packs. Let's go, Marshall Yanda. Second elite? Yeah, second elite. Alright, let's see here. Let's do a Villa. Darn it. Wonder why I ain't getting anything out of these. They were super good to me earlier when I bought a couple. Last pack. Let's see what I get. Just gonna open this. Random. Okay, 81 safety. Alright, final card. Yep. Crap. Alright, well, I'm kind of disappointed in this pack opening. But, please like and subscribe. I guess, see you guys next video. Well, let me go over what I got. Here I got Marshall Yanda, Brandon Graham, Carlos Campbell, and then I got a bunch of golds, And then, yeah. So, see you guys next video. Please like and subscribe, and, bye.